Hello everyone, this is Archana from GS Education Council. Today we are finding the month code and the centuries code. Now look at here this table. Now first of all we are finding the month code and there is a month January to December here. There are 12 months. Now look at here the code here like these are the codes. Okay, so how to find out these codes? Now I'm telling you. Now, you know that in the January month, there are 31 days. 31 days divided by 7. Why divided by 7? We know that 1 week is equal to 7 days. So divided by 7, and you know that when 31 divided by 7 and the remainder is 3. So this remainder is carry over on February month. Now, this is 3. Now, you know that is in the February month, there are 28 days plus 3, this one here. And 28 plus 3, this is 20, 31. 31 divided by 7, now the remainder is 3. Now, this remainder, write down in the March month, 3. And 31 days, in the March month, there are 31 days plus 3, this one. And 31 plus 3, that is 34 divided by 7. And the remainder is 6. Now write down this 6 on the April month. And in the April month, there are 30 days plus 6 here. And it's become 30 plus 6, 36 divided by 7. And the remainder is 1. Now this remainder 1 here on the May month. Now in the May month, there are 31 days. 31 plus 1, that is 32 days. 32 plus 7, that is remainder is 4. So write down remainder on the June month. And 30 plus 4, this is 34. And 34 divided by 7, and the remainder is 6. Now, this 6 remainder write down in the July month here. And 30, you know, in the July month, there are 31 days and 31 plus 6 here. And it's become 37. 37 divided by 7. Now, 37 divided by 7, now the remainder is 2. Now, this remainder write down in the August month here, 2. And in the August month, there are 31 days plus 2, 33. 33 divided by 7, and the remainder is 5. And write down 5 on the September month. And in the September month, there are 30 days plus 5, this one. 30 plus 5, that is 35 divided by 7, now the remainder is 0. So write down this 0 here on the October month. 31 plus 0, that is 31. 31 divided by 7, that is remainder is 3. Now write down this remainder here in the November month. Now this page become 30 and the November month there are 30 days. 30 days plus 3, that is 33 divided by 7. Now the remainder is 5. Now write down this remainder on the December month. December month 5 here. Now plus 1 in each month code here. 0 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 4 plus 1 like this. For our convenience, because 0 plus 1, it's become 1 and here is 4 and here is 4. This is 144 and this is 12 square, 144. We can easily remember like this. That's why we add 1 in each month code. Okay, and this is 0 to 5 and you know that is 25 with the square of 5. And that is 0, 3, 6. And you know that 6 into 6, that is 36. And here is 146. 146, how to remember this? You know that the 12 into 12, that is 144 and plus 2. And this is 146. Okay. Now, the next is country code. Now, how to find out country code here? We start from the 1600 century. And you know that if we find out the leap year of any century, we divide it by 400. And 400, 1600 divided by 400, there is no remainder. Remainder is 0. So, if the remainder is 0, now the base of this code is 6. So, write down 6 here. If the remainder is 0, so write down 6. This is the base of the century code. Okay, now the next is 1700. Now the remainder is 100 here. So the century code of 100, that is 4. So write down 4 here. Now 1800 divided by 400. Now the remainder is 200. If the remainder is 200, we have to write down 2 here because this is the century code of remainder according to the remainder. Now the next is that is 1900. 1900 divided by 400. Now the remainder is 300. If the remainder is 300, now the century code is 0. Now this number is repeated again and again because we find the remainder start 0 to 300. 0 to 300, it means the code is only the 6420, and this is repeat again and again 0642 0642 0642 like this. Now you must have understood the logic and the algorithm behind the given month code and century code. We will meet again soon in the next new video. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.